Bob's mucking around with it, aren't you, Bob?
Yeah, put that back again. It's hard to get back. Get it on the threads. Might be on the thread now. Hey, on the thread.
He's doing something, guys. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Now I will press the button. We want the boot. The boot! We want the boot. Don't we, Toby? What the hell? Yeah, it's one of those cute little half boots, like a half a boot. But when you look in it, it's very, very spacious. And if I lift this up, we not only have a spare tyre, he put in a jack as well. A very, very spacious boot. And my sausage dog and my dirties. But yeah, nice, eh? Nice. Vinny's gonna buff these back to sparkly clean, like these ones. See, like like these are sparkly. So they just need a buff. He said he used to do when they interior. He was an interior doohickey dude. Yeah. All right, bye.